Hey, good Tuesday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. Another very pleasant morning out there. Temperatures in the low 50s, and we have plenty of sunshine this morning. Going to be another great day of weather today. Here's your weather headlines. Spectacular weather today, slightly cooler for Wednesday. Thursday will be windy and very warm, and then we'll see some gusty showers and thunderstorms later on Thursday night. So here's the 7-day forecast. Today's looking very spectacular here. Tomorrow a touch cooler. Maybe a couple sprinkles or light showers, but most of that will be focused north of us here for today, Wednesday. Thursday, going to be the warmest day of the year so far with a high of 77 degrees, and that 77 will come with some very gusty winds in the afternoon out of the south. And then we'll see a cold front Thursday night, and that cold front brings a chance for a line of some showers and some gusty thunderstorms here. This is all associated with a very big storm that's going to bring 1 to 2 feet of snow for locations in Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota. So we've got some crazy weather going on in the Midwest. Luckily for us, we're going to be on the warm side of the storm with just a few showers and storms Thursday night as that front comes through, and then we'll see drier weather by Friday. But again, if you have friends and family up to our north and west, Iowa, especially up towards Minnesota, South Dakota, Nebraska, they're going to be in for some really rough weather the next several days. So here's the rest of that forecast. Friday, we look marvelous as we dry things back out. Temperatures stay mild. Saturday looking pretty decent as well. And then Sunday, plan on a rainy day and kind of chilly day for Sunday. Thanks for watching this forecast. Have a good day.